Number 1. Machine fly. Primarily work the pectoral major. First of all, sit on the machine with back supported by setting the seat and handle of the machine according to your height. Bend the elbow of your arm slightly and focusing on squeezing your chest muscle. With control form, bringing the handle together in front of the chest. Hold it for 1 second and then open the handle wide to the side, stretching the chest muscle. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 2. Flat bench barbell press. Primarily work the pectoral major with secondary shoulder and tricep muscle. Lean down on a flat bench and keeping your feet on the ground as shown in the video. Holding the barbell with grip wider than shoulder width, creating a slightly arching the lower back. Lower the barbell down to the chest with control and then press it upward with squeezing the chest muscle. With this form, you can also perform on the Smith machine. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 3. Machine incline chest press. Target muscle upper pectoral major. This machine is available in many gyms, or if you want, you can perform it on the Smith machine. First of all, lean down on the bench of the machine and hold the handle above the chest with both hands. With control form, bringing the handle downward to the side of the upper chest and press the handle upward with squeezing the upper chest. Then hold it for 1 second. On the machine, you are able to lift heavy weight without any support and your form also remain correct. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Number 4. Decline barbell press. Target the lower pectoral major. In this, your form will be almost like flat bench barbell press, only you have to perform it on the decline bench. Hold the barbell above your chest with grip wider than shoulder width and slowly lower it down to your lower chest. Then while pressing the barbell upward with control form, squeezing the lower chest and then bringing it downward. If you want, you can also do it with the dumbbell. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5. Decline dumbbell fly. Focusing on the lower pectoral major. Just like you did barbell press on a decline bench, you have to perform dumbbell fly on the decline bench. In this, slightly bend your elbow and open your arms wide in control motion. Feel the stretch in the lower chest, then bringing the dumbbell back together, focusing on the chest contraction. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 6. Low to high cable fly. Target muscle upper pectoral major. First of all, stand in the middle of cross cable machine and attach the handle at the lowest position on the both sides of the machine. Stand 1 step ahead of the machine. Hold the handle in both hands and concentrating on the upper chest muscle. Together lift the handle up in front of you and then hold it for 1 second and keeping the elbow slightly bended, bringing the handle downward. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions.